This marks the development Google has fought long and hard against as a rival Android app store is officially available in Google Play. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to hub for the latest tech news. Aptoide has announced that Aptoide Games is now downloadable through Google Play for Android users in the United States. The company specializes in mobile games, but was previously only available through pre-installed or side-loading. Google has fought to be the only easy app store option for Android users. Aptoide CEO and founder Paolo Trezento said in the announcement more than 10 years ago, Android users lost the ability to discover alternative app stores through Google Play. Today, that changes. Users gain more choice, developers gain additional distribution opportunities, and Android becomes a more open and competitive ecosystem. After nearly half a decade of fighting between Google and Epic Games, U.S. District Judge James Donato ordered Google to open the Play Store to competitors in 2024. Epic Games sued both Google and Apple in 2020 for removing Fortnite from their app stores. Google had blocked both OnePlus and LG from offering the game in a way that bypassed the Google Play Store. According to a Google blog post, Epic and Google have since reached an agreement that includes more billing options, a program for registered app stores, and lower fees and new programs for developers. And that includes allowing third-party app stores on Google Play. These third-party app stores have only been available since July 22nd. Aptoide might be the first company to take advantage of the rule change, but it certainly won't be the last. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.